Hey, 30-minute marketers, welcome back, where we're talking about how to promote Clickbank products using Facebook ads. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, be sure to click on subscribe, ring that bell for notification of future videos. Don't forget, check the link in the description for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today our focus is back inside of the Facebook Ads Manager, as you see here on the screen. In the video, I believe the third video in the series, of course, link in the descriptions to this entire series about how to promote Clickbank products using Facebook ads. We created some duplicate campaigns, and what happened here is now we have an ad set error. All ad sets in this campaign have errors. None of the ad sets within this campaign are running. At least one error need to be resolved. Click to view ad sets. So what I did is I went ahead and I checked all these, and I'm going to move over to ad sets to see what the error is. As you can see, I get the exact same message here inside of ad sets. And it's going to tell me to move on to the ads. So then I'm going to select those just for completeness and then move over to ads. And as you can see here, these ads have been rejected. This ad doesn't comply with our advertising policies. You can edit the ads or go to account quality to request another review. So before we do that and look at that, let's go over to my email account so you can see exactly what happened during this process. Now here we are inside of my email account, and I want to show you how this actually happened. So you can see here from the Facebook ads team, your ads are approved. Now I'll open that and you can see these are the ads. The following ads are approved. Ad number 1 and number 2, which are those same images, that same copy, that same ad set with the same objectives. And that was December 2nd, 9:29 a.m. Then we go back to the next one. Some of your active ads are disapproved. Fix your ads or request a review. This is at 9:53, so about 20 minutes later, the following ads need your attention. So now you can see that all those ads are now all of a sudden disapproved and they don't comply with Facebook's ad policy for whatever reason. Now, here's the thing. You have to step back and you have to realize, and you can't freak out, and you have to know that when you run Facebook ads, things like this are going to happen. This is probably the least of worst things that can happen, where they just approve your ad and then they disapprove your ad because all of a sudden, at one time it was approved because nobody saw a problem with it, or it was auto approved, and then it came back up to be approved, to be reviewed again, and then the next person in line reviewed it and realizes it doesn't comply. So we'll go back to Facebook Ads Manager, and in this case, because this ad has not been very successful and we're just getting started with this ad, and because this is a duplicate of an ad that only received 17 clicks and had issues with never getting out of the learning phase, I'm probably not going to spend, as a matter of fact, I know I'm not going to spend any time having this manually reviewed. I'm just going to come up with a new creative, come up with new copy, and resubmit a brand new ad for this same blog post. But before we do that, I want to show you a way that you can get a better idea on the type of ads inside of your niche that are performing well and are compliant. Of course, they're compliant for other people. Doesn't mean you could copy, and you shouldn't copy their ads and their creatives, but it gives you a good idea of the things that people are spending money on. And most likely, if the ad is up and running, people are spending money on them, then they're probably working to a certain extent, and it's something that you should test. So with that, let's hop over into the Facebook ads library. And I will leave a link in the description so you can get to this. And what this is a library of all Facebook ads that are running for all the pages out there of people that are spending money. So in our case, of course, 30minutemarketing.net, I'm running ads inside of internet marketing. So I need to find people that are in the same niche or are targeting people looking for the same kind of offers that I'm running to these IM checklists, to my blog post. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, because I've done my research and I understand who the big players are in this niche. So this will work for any niche. You just need to understand who those people are. So in this example, I'm focused on internet marketing. So the ads and the thing I'm going to look for is digital marketer. So, of course, here's digital marketer. Of course, this is Ryan Dice. This is actually one of the people that we targeted in our ad set. Of course, check those links in the descriptions for when we first started this and set up the original ad. You can see that targeting, and I talked about targeting people like Ryan Dice, who are well known in the circle of influence that we're trying to target. So let's just look at the ads that digital marketer are running. So here you can see the page transparency when the page was created, the page name changed, and of course you can see there are no ads matching for your criteria. Now why is that? It's because I am currently in Kuwait and it is filtering based off my location. So what I want to do is I want to change that to the most popular one, United States. And now you can see that the criteria have changed because of the filter, and there's 59 results for ads being ran by digital marketer. So in this case, I'm going to look at these ads, and here's a great one here. Use the 10-point blog post audit to take your blog post from mad to magnificent fast and learn what the perfect blog post looks like. So this is a video ad, but the copy and the ideas that I get from this are something like, hey, check out this blog post for checklist, 8 effective ways to use checklist, any kind of thing around checklist. If I can come up with a problem that people will recognize immediately as they're scrolling through their Facebook timeline, and it'll be top of mind saying, I have a problem. If I just had a checklist to solve and then enter I am checklist. I am checklist has checklists for WordPress, for being an affiliate marketer, for being a newbie to affiliate marketer, any kind of thing like that that I can target to this audience that I'm looking for to make sure that I really understand and focus in on the problem they have and the solution to that problem I'm providing, so they get them to click through to the blog post and then click through onto the next stage. Of course, you've seen the funnel. If you want to see that, check out the links in the description to all the other videos. The point of this video was to show you inside the ads manager that errors will occur, problems will occur, you will hit bumps in this road. It's not as smooth as just coming up with one ad, clicking submit, creating all the creatives, creating the copy, submitting it to Facebook. Even if the ad, as you saw in the other videos, the ad was up and running with no issues, but now all of a sudden there's something that is wrong. It doesn't comply with Facebook. So again, if you go into the ads, it's going to tell you it was rejected. You can either have another review done or you can start over from scratch. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Facebook ads library. I'm going to use Digital Marketer and a few other resources that I'm going to come up with inside of this niche that I know are having success in this niche with Facebook ads by what the ads library is telling me. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to learn from what they're doing. I'm going to model a new set of ads, a new set of creatives, a new set of copy, and I'm going to submit it again, and I'm going to start all over. I'm going to get that traffic objective up and running, and I'm going to get traffic over to that blog post. And of course, what that looks like is Facebook ad, blog post, opt-in onto the email list, over to the bridge page, collect those emails, follow-up emails back to the bridge page, eventually over to that Clickbank order page to purchase the product that I am advertising. This is the way this process works. You just have to understand that there will be hurdles along the way. Just jump over those and keep running. Head towards the finish line. Focus and you will succeed. You just got to keep moving forward. All right, as I always say, onward. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here. Click that to subscribe to the channel. More videos here. Don't forget all the video links in the description, as well as check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a very simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. And with that, I'll say thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.